Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video only here on Help Guy. So for today, I'm gonna teach you how you can delete your domain in GoDaddy. So right now we are in the help center, GoDaddy's help center. This will help you visualize it better. But please take note that once your domain is deleted or removed from your account, it cannot be retrieved. Therefore, the operation will stop. It will stop working or it won't operate anymore. So that's very important to remember. Now, domains that are part of the bundle can only be canceled by canceling the entire bundle. So for individual domains, here's how you do it. So sign into your GoDaddy, head over to your domain portfolio, and then select checkboxes. So it looks like this. This is the checkbox right here on the mouse, right there. Select the domains that you want to remove. So for this example, they deleted coolexample.com and mycoolnewbusiness.com. And then what you want to do from there is from the action menu, you're gonna want to select delete domains. Now, it depends on your screen size. If you have a bigger screen size, you can see the delete domain option immediately. But if you have a smaller screen size, definitely there's going to be a more menu. So just click on that and then scroll down to see delete domains and then confirm the deletion of your domain. Now, you might be eligible for a refund depending on your subscription. But yeah, on how to delete your domains, that's how you do it. You go to domain portfolio, click on the checkbox, tick the boxes of the domains that you want to delete, and then after that, you're gonna want to go to the action menu and then select delete domain. There are, of course, alternative if you don't want to delete your domain or if you think there's more potential to it, you can, of course, sell your domain. So you can consider listing your domain for sale, but that's for another video. Hopefully, we were able to help you in deleting your domain in GoDaddy. If we did, please do not forget to hit, of course, the like and the subscribe button. We will be seeing you again on the next videos only here on Help Guy.